coaching institute run by educator Faisal Khan, popularly known as Khan Sir, was vandalized and attacked with stones in Patna, police said on Tuesday. Following the incident, 3 people were arrested in connection with the case. The incident took place on Tuesday at the Khan Global Coaching Institute located in the Kadamkuan police station area. Initially, Khan Sir claimed that firing had taken place at the institute. However, police officials stated that they were unable to confirm any firing based on CCTV footage and preliminary investigations. According to police, around 15 to 20 individuals reportedly linked to another coaching institute in Patna were involved in the vandalism. The group allegedly damaged property and assaulted the security guard on duty. Khan Sir alleged that anti-social elements from a nearby coaching center were responsible for the attack, claiming that his institute was targeted for offering quality education at low fees. However, police maintained that while physical assault and vandalism were confirmed, no evidence of firing had been found so far. Further investigation is underway. On Wednesday morning, Khan Sir said that the truth would emerge after the investigation report, adding that they were not prepared for any confrontation. Meanwhile, Patna Police arrested 3 individuals including a coaching institute director in connection with the incident. All 3 were produced before a court and subsequently sent to judicial custody. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.